Once again, hello and welcome to my channel, Suman Shah. Let's start our journey with quick laps. Okay, so you can see just now GTS is remaining. We just enrolled yesterday, and there was 2000 spot remaining, and just after 1 day it is showing 0 spot. So very congratulations to me and to you if you have enrolled successfully. Otherwise you are going to miss this opportunity. Okay, so we have completed these 3 challenges. I have uploaded these videos. You can check the playlist. Okay, so today we will complete this setup network HTTP load balancer. This is something that we run on our front end and back end. So we are going to perform this tasks, and first we need to log in here. Once we logged in successfully, we can proceed further, and here is the trick: we have to complete it as fast as so. But you can see it is a little bit slow, and I don't know why it's not promoting to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so first we need to activate the cloud shell, and okay, so activate the cloud shell. I'm trying to do it as quick as possible, but it's taking a little bit time. My system is slow. I can't do anything. I know this person, this something Muhammad, is a really great person. He completes anything always at the top. So copy this code, paste it here. This is super simple. Just follow this instruction, and so we are creating a multiple web server instance for this zone, and their server location, everything is already here mentioned. We no need to type manually. You can copy it here and just wait. This is done. Just this one once more. This is second one, and this one will be third one. I don't know any tricks how to speed up this lab, but I know if you have a perfect internet connection and good system, something like 12th generation, I think it is launched recently, and it is better than 11th generation. I know someone has told me, so I would brought it again. This is the third generation. So guys, you will think why I'm doing this so slow. You might have got the rank better than me. This is one something the highest. Okay, no need to perform this. Let's check this one. Okay, this task is completed. Okay, let's copy this one, paste down there, and let's see something. Okay, second code. Wait, it will take I think little bit. Done. Paste down the second one. It will create a health check, and here we go. Now we will add the instance to the pool, and to add this instance to pool, we have created 3 ww1 ww2 ww3, and we are just adding our instance to them. Why it takes a lot of time? Let's check. Okay, little bit we have improved our score. So this is done. Now copy this code and wait little bit. Okay, and now copy this code and paste it here. Okay, so this is working, so we can stop this. Press Ctrl+C to stop it. Now first create the load balancer template, and It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. I don't know. This is upon this system you are using. I want a better system. This is the third generation system. You might have better one. So try it and comment me down if you did better score than me. Okay, so firewall rule is ongoing, and once it is done, you can run. So simple trick is here. You should run each code one by one. Somewhere we need to change something, but I know here this event is super simple, and we have already practiced lots of such cloud skills in our previous learn to earn give cloud tracks there. So this time we are feeling little bit easier. Nice. Let's see how much we can do. Our backend and front-end development take little bit time, so once we deploy it will take little bit time, so don't worry, just go step by step and don't miss a single code. If you miss a single line of code, you have to do it from absolute beginning, so try to avoid such a mistake. Create HTTP loader balancer. I think it is done now. Yes, it is created. Check it. It says it is not, but it says it is created. New server. Okay, so it will take little bit time, so leave this one and just wait few minutes, keep on refreshing. You can see this. I will show you. Okay, I will show you at the load balancing, and where the load. Okay, network services we have created here. See, we have already created our load balancing, and it will take a few minutes that the server should start running. So I don't know how much it will take, but let's wait. So after just a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, it is checked to green. So we have completed this lab. Let's move to next lab. So thank you very much for this lab. If you have any problem, just comment down. I'll solve it. Thank you.